to remove them. So what I'm doing is I'm really creating kind of like a golden eyebrow, not so dark.
Okay. So I noticed that you don't use a pencil.
I don't really want to.
I love that.
That you like pencils?
No. I love that you don't use a pencil.
I think that sometimes the pencil gets a little hard.
Mm-hmm.
Now there are great pencils out there that you can draw lines with. I think those are great. But for this look, it didn't require it. So, you know, in order to stay true to character. Hold on one second, you guys. Bocce, cut it out. Okay, I'm just kind of toasting the edges.
Okay.
That's what I call it. We're just sticking it in the toaster.
Gorge.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Stay in that space. Don't leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
So the framework's there. All right. All right. I'm going to use a little mascara. All right. Using pumped up mascara.
It took 5 years.
It took me
In the
forever.
making, right?
Well, I was trying to create something that you could use with eyelashes. And it wasn't coming out right. You know, like, you know, when you try to get something and you want it to do a certain thing, and it just, I was like not happy with it.
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
I let you know you're going in. They've got a wand in her eye. All the hairdressers do that. Like, you'll get the mascara wand right near their eye and they go like this in the back of somebody's head, and you're like, okay, you just about took her eye out. Are you happy with that? Because like now she's blind. Now she can't live. Okay, you like that, right? I'm gonna stick you in the eye.
Oh, wait, I didn't touch.
Look up.
Stop it, Scott.
No, you behave yourself over there.
Don't I always?
No, you're bad. You're very, very bad, and you must be punished. Yeah, see, Bocce's even saying it. She's like, oh, no. I'll give you a moment to shine. Give me 1 second.
Excuse me, Scott.
Yeah, go for it.
Can I turn Wendy around? I want to show them.
Yeah, show us the
Like,
back.
this is what I hate. See, I'm putting some, you don't want this big blonde chunk at the top.
So what are you gonna do, Frank?
Get rid of it.
Stop! It's magic.
See, and I've just kind of just
It's movie magic.
blended it, see?
That's blent. He blended it. See that? Ooh. That's blendation.
Just so it doesn't look like, you know, a big blonde, like, weft just popping out of nowhere.
It can. Especially if you do like that hair flip and all of a sudden you're like,
Right.
you got tape on the back of your, I mean, you have a blonde chunk in the back of your head that's stapled to your head. Who stapled that to your head? Okay, going back in, just doing a little powdery work.
Okay.
Why Frank's doing that? Because I'm going to have to go in with eyeliner. He's going to have to stop.
Well, once I kind of wave it, I want to turn Wendy around. I want to see it, sure, once it's all waved and
Yeah.
blended.
It's pretty. All right, I'm going to do a little background color.
Okay.
Oh my God, so crazy. But I'm using this. And
ScottBarnes.
it's the Snatchel palette.
It's natural.
Well, because it's snatched and it's natural. She's natural. She's a little bit of both. I didn't have this palette complete when I was doing the film, but I did have some of the colors done. So the ones I did have were Foxy and Femme, and I had Brick House that I was like kind of working on. I hadn't quite finished it yet. So what I'm going to do is open your eye for me a bit. And I'm lifting and opening up the eye a little bit before we put the liner on. Look straight at the camera for me, please. So you can see how we're just kind of lifting that and opening that.
And so where
Again,
do you?
look at the camera.
So where do you know to place it?
It's like elfin magic. I just know. I'm like a Keebler elf when it comes to makeup. Making little noises. What I'm trying to do is hollow out your eyes and make them look a little deeper so that when I put the eyeliner on, you don't look like, you know, I don't want you to look, there's like, you know, LA Chola, you know what I mean?
Right.
I don't want it to look like that. That's not the look. She's lined, she's Latina, but she's not like, she's sophisticated. She's pretty. You know, this girl's pretty.
Mhm.
She's not, she's a little hard because of probably her neighborhood. What's happening back there? All of a sudden her hand's coming forward more. Brush is sticking into the eyeball.
The clip that's not sticking down.
It's that clip. It's the clip that Jennifer yelled at you about on the movie every single day. Like, Frank, that clip is not, and then it would be like, she would just go, it's not holding. You still didn't fix that clip, did you? Fired. Excuse me while we enjoy this commercial break. Would you like a commercial? Would you like a
There you go.
frosty beverage?
We're good.
We're good? You're in it? Okay.
See, look, I'm gonna show that.
We just diverted a very bad accident. Oh,
You see? Now
Look at
it's
that.
been curled and blended.
yes. Stripper World.
Yes.
Whatever the name of that place is that you work now.
We made the hair a little more polished towards the end because she obviously had more money. She probably upgraded who did her color, who
Yeah.
did her blowout. So in the beginning, it was kind of a little cheap kind of looking, you know, because
Well, I think she
of
got
who
more
she was at
money
the
and
time, you know?
I mean, Ramona was the hottest chick in the club, though. That's the whole thing. She was like
Right.
the best dancer. She had it all. So I always take a little bit of this liquid liner and I
Okay.
put it on my Scott Barnes glass palette.
Okay.
Ask me why, Wendy.
Why?
Because
Why, Scott?
because it's a great place to work from. And I take like these. I love these little bedylium.
Okay.
Bedylium.
706.
Yeah, 706. They're little lip or little eyeliner. These are like little strippers, but they're little eyeliners. They're just little. Everything's little right now. A little eyeliner and a little brush and a little stripper. Close your eye. Don't touch the chair, please. This is fairly easy.
So bossy.
Well, I was always bossy in the trailer too. Open a little bit. Look over there. And Frank keeps touching the chairs.
My hand's in my pocket.
Wasn't there a 90s song about that? My hand is in my pocket, and the other
Uh-huh.
one's playing a guitar or something. See that? You like it?
Love. Wow.
Now, with the liquid liner thing, turn down for me and look up at the ceiling. I went in underneath the lashes, and we just created a drop down lash.
It totally opened my eyes.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, wait till we get the lash on. I mean, it's like a whole nother story. So this liquid was good.
The eye.
The eye, yeah.
Yeah. The eyes have it. Look down.
It made it more almond.
Yeah.
Um,
Well, Jennifer's, I mean, come on. I think we can all agree. Like, unbelievably stunning,
Yes.
Not a lot of, look down. There's not a lot of women that look like her in the world. They really don't. So, and what's great is I get to create with her and on her all the time, which is really fun.
Where am I going after this?
I don't know. I thought you were going on a trip or something. You had to go on.
I have to go to
Or what-
San
is it
Diego
work
for
to-
work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, you'll be showing up like, hi,
I'll be showing up to CVS.
I'm here.
Ramona.
Ramona's here at CVS. Special engagement.
what was that saying that was going around?
Which one?
Nothing is more depressing than washing off a Scott Barnes face.
Oh, yeah. Vanessa Williams started that. She put up a meme that said there's nothing more depressing than Frank touching your head while I'm trying to do your eyeliner. That's really what's really depressing. Because then it's like, she looked like she's been at the bar, she's been drinking too much.
And this was Prestige eyeliner.
It's good.
Yeah.
Drugstore.
Love.
It's that, you know what it is? And it stays, and it doesn't turn all dusty. You know how sometimes you use an eyeliner and it turns into a dusty muffin?
Mm-hmm.
Take a look.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, she's stripper realness right now. Serving stripper realness in aisle 3 at your local CVS. Take a look. Nice.
Very nice.
All right, ready? Oops.
Are you ready, Scott?
No, I'm not. I'm really seriously not ready for anything. Okay, Ardell. Yes. Wispies and black. All right, that's what it is. I put some glue on here. Now, if you don't know how to put on eyelashes, I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to do it. You gotta break the spine. Break your mama's back. You gotta break the spine of the lashes, and I do it by wiggling them.
Okay.
So it loosens them up a little bit, and you kind of have this like caterpillar effect while they're doing it. You're like, wah, wah, wah,
How do you
wah.
dry the glue out?
Well, the glue's on it. And I wait until the glue gets a little almost set up, because you don't want a lot with eyelash glue. You don't want a lot of playtime. You want to place it in, roll it in, and make it stay. Okay.
Okay.
So let me.
It's almost like sticking down a lace front.
Kinda. Yeah, very
Yeah,
similar.
we're gonna let it really like almost where it gets tacky, where it's not so.
I always lay the outside corner in first, and then I just give it a little tip. Open your eye for me, just slightly. That's it. Oh, such a good girl. She doesn't flutter. And then I slide it out a little bit. And she's right on that lash line, nice and comfortable.
Mm-hmm. I don't feel like I have them.
Yeah, look at yourself. Have you looked at yourself? Look at yourself. What do you
I
see?
don't. A different person.
I know she's cute, right? She's ready. Okay.
There's a little whoosh and zhuzh I have to do.
Really? Open a bit. Look at me. And look down.
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
Yes.
What song is that?
Actually, one of Jen's songs. It's called Tens. Tens across the board. Look at me. Pretty. Check that out.
All right, let me stick this bang in.
Okay.
I put this pretty close up to the parrot because you really want that pop of blonde and really close to the front.
Hang on 1 second, Franco. While you're doing that, I'm just going to do this. Hold on.
Oh, you're sticking the little jewel.
We have to do our
A
piercing.
little piercing.
It's a little piercing. It's like a little stripper. A little piercing. A little liner. A little brush. A
And-
little.
So this bang piece right now is pretty good.
I'm going to let you figure that out when I put the small on.
So what kind of glue did you use?
I use eyelash adhesive.
Oh, okay.
Something I hate about these colored sprays.
They get clogged.
All of them do.
L'Oreal doesn't.
Well, L'Oreal doesn't have the color I like.
Look, you're jeweled. You have a
Yes.
piercing now. Yes.
I'm gonna
Let me go
FaceTime my
around this
mom.
way. So everyone can see.
So like talking about that. There we go. Things are happening. Oh, that's a nice spray you did.
Yeah.
Nothing says Rudy Tooty Fresh and Fruity like a good spray at the root. All right. Guess what we're doing now?
More lashes?
No.
Oh.
Yay! More lashes, a double stack. Can I do it now? Okay. I feel like I'm getting raided by like cockroach
Well,
spray.
what are you supposed to do? You're a hairstylist. What's a hairstylist without hairspray?
I don't know. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's gorgeous.
Oh no.
Who is that?
She's the Ramona.
Ramona's back.
The Ramona tattoo. Was it the right hand or the left hand? I don't even remember anymore. I think it's the right hand.
That's why we keep continuity. You
Yeah,
talked
see?
enough about it, so get to reading.
Okay, you said this doesn't work, right? Yeah, look, it makes them go away. It is like that. Look at that. Like that. What does it say? Right hand, left hand? Right hand, right? See? I knew it. Okay. We got to position it the right way.
Okay.
All right. That's what the little thing looks like. Yeah. I love a McFlurry napkin. It's always really exciting. Excuse me. Like,
I love that.
okay, water. Spraying the water on the tattoo.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. See? Show them the tattoo.
Oh, yeah.
Show us the tattoo.
Yes.
Yes, diamond life. Okay, little trick with putting on fake tattoos.
Okay.
You let it dry down for a second, and it's a little creepy and shiny. Nobody likes a creepy shiny.
Right.
So, the Makeup Forever translucent powder, and you just gently powder it. Look at, ooh, real tattoo-ness.
Yeah. What a difference.
What a difference. Some powder, baby.
Huge difference.
Check it out.
Yeah. It looks.
So now when you're smoking, diamond life. When you're playing with your lighter, diamond life. When you're taking money out of people's pockets, diamond life. I would put the Juliet tattoo on you, but we never see it in the film.
Okay.
But I did put it on Jennifer every day, so she could get into character. There was never a point when we actually talk about or show this tattoo or make mention of it, but I thought it was an important element, you know, to make that character come to life. So when she saw it, she would think of her daughter. Okay, so thanks to the people at Hookups for making these custom tattoos for me for the film. You guys did a good job. Love you guys. Thank you so much.
I want to say thank you to Joyco for giving me all the products I needed for the film Hustlers. The root sprays, the hairsprays, and also Hot Tools. They make the most amazing irons.
How are you feeling about yourself?
Thank you, both of them.
Are you dying?
I'm dying.
Is it good?
I'm dying. I'm going to take 100 selfies.
I think we should do, you know what we should do? We should do let's just work the camera a little bit together.
Okay. And Frank?
Whatever with him. He's
I'm
so
always,
annoying.
I'm always like left on the shelf.
Yeah, you're like Elf on a Shelf. Little cuteness, you can give it to us. Come on, Wenlo, work that side. You know the side you like. There. Oops, see, she's got it. Oh, give it to me. Chin down.
I thought you were talking to me about work that side.
No. These things that- I have a lot of things I can say right now. That wraps up Ramona and the movie Hustlers. If you guys haven't seen it, go see it. Tell me how good Wenlo looks like Ramona in the film Hustlers. You guys, thank you so much. God bless you. And be kind to each other, please.
Well,
The only thing
you
you
should
can do.
stop by being kind to me.
Forget you. It's always about you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.